ICP is off. Beginning of startup / shutdown. Good old startup. Has a Copeland recip. It just started up. This is a 3.5 ton from 1988. That's working amazing. By the way, I just want to say, I was getting ready to talk and then it started up. So that was basically what the startup shutdown is supposed to be like. They did not request, but I think the unit just wanted to be silly and do a startup shutdown. So it decided to just turn on while I was recording. But that startup did not sound good. But this thing is quiet. Yeah, like I said, this thing is working amazing. Sometimes it just cools off, warms up a little bit. Sometimes it gets cool. Like I said, it just turned on. Yeah, the line is already nice and cooled. And it's only a little bit low on charge. Yeah. I'm gonna read the data. It's from September of '88. This is not a straight cool. This is a straight cool. So it's not a heat pump. I believe this is Ohio. I'll try to read that. That says Tempstar on it. I can barely see it. Just to let you know, this is a Tempstar. I just saw us at it. The unit is actually burning hot itself, but this is cooler. In temperature-wise, this is cooler than the unit itself. Just cosmetically, I have to say this one's in better condition than the old pane that was sitting here. I have to say the coils are just so flexy. Yeah, that's so, I expected it to do that, but that's not coil damage. That is just paint. Yeah, it's been around there forever. I just wanted to get around. Hopefully I do not drop my phone this time. I got lucky this time. Yeah, has a Copeland recip. It's an old motor. Emerson. I really like how this unit is